I'll go with something called as cache management. Okay?
Okay.
Cache means it is a temporary memory, or you can say it is a bridge between your database system and the report. It's the middle layer. It is a temporary memory present at the server side. In general, it is at the server side. Now, by default, your cache is an enabled state. But strictly speaking, cache means we can do it in the two ways. That means maintained by the OBIEE server as well as at the RPD level, at the two contents. OBIEE is providing two types of cache management. Like for example, Oracle BI presentation server cache, and the second one is Oracle BI server cache. So by default it is in enabled state. If you don't want to use it, you can remove it. So how do you specify these options? Means maybe from enterprise manager application or maybe from admin tool at the RPD level. So we'll try to work with the both the things, but first of all we'll go with the admin tool part. So for time being here, I created my RPD like related what we have created long back. I'm going with the new analysis. I'm working with employee, what we have created in the previous classes like employee related RPD file.
Yes.
And at this place, I'm trying to place something called as a department number, employee name, and is related salary. So if I go with the results tab, it's showing set of records in this format, 10, 20, 30. Or if I remove the department number and I'll apply and sorting on the employee number. For example, I'll say sort ascending order, results tab. These are the records you're having. Now for time being in the database level, we'll try to add some new record and we'll check it up whether that record is coming to this place or not. So I'll try to open the database, SQL Plus, I'm communicating with my schema, Scott Tiger @Oracle. These are the records what I'm having right now. 14 records are there. Or if you take only the few columns, employee number, employee name, salary, from a department number, from EMP. So these are the 14 records I'm having. Now I'll try to add one new record into this particular table. So my actual column names are like, these are the columns what I'm having: employee number, employee name, job, manager, hire date, salary, commission, department number, something like that. So I'm saying like insert into EMP values of employee number, first one, that is, for example, I'll say 1001. Employee name, we'll write something called as Steve, and the job is, for example, clerk. And manager, some number, for example, I'll say 7902. Hire date, at present I don't want to give any hire date, so I'll say as a null value. Salary is 1000, commission is 100, department number is 10, for example. If in one row is created, I'll say commit. Record is saved successfully. So if you want try to check it up once again, the records present in the EMP table. So now we are able to view that employee number called as in 1001. Just now what we have inserted. Now we'll check it out whether this record is coming to our report or not. So I'll go to the analysis page. Here this is an output what you're having, this is the previous output. I'll say refresh the page or refresh that particular analysis. So I clicked on that, on the a little bit on right side of it, I'm able to get a message called as retrying of data. But if I observe the report output, we are not able to get any new record into this place, isn't it?
Yes.
So for example, I'll say new analysis. I try to create a new report. So, but same fields I'll try to put it once again. Employee number, employee name, and salary. It is a new report. I'm saying results tab. Still we doesn't got that particular record. Because this type of report already we have executed previously. Because of that, it is populated the data kept in the cache level. So it is bringing the data from the cache. That is the reason the new record what we have added at the database level we are unable to view that.
If you add in like another column, then the data will be brought over.
Then we'll get it. Yes.
Yeah.
Then we'll see the column.
I see.
So for example, commission I'm adding. So now we got that record 1016, 1100. But if it is the same report, then we are not getting the record. Now, for example, already got that record. Now, what I'll do means at the database level, I'll delete that record. Delete from EMP where EMP and O is equal to 1001. So I'll say commit. Record is deleted. So if you check it up here, that record is not there. But if you go to your analysis page and if you say refresh, still that record is visible here. Because the control is not going to the physical system, that it is bringing the data from the cache memory. That is the reason it's showing this 1001 record, even though record is not there at the database level. Why means it is bringing the data from the cache. So what to do? Try to remove the cache. So how do you remove it? Open the admin tool, OBIEE administration. Open your RPD. So I'm trying to open in the online mode. Then go to the manage. There is an option called as in cache. Click on that. Under the manage, there is an option called as in cache. Just click on that. So you are getting a separate window called as the cache manager. And here if you observe, so many values it's showing on the right side. It is showing me on which date it is created, on which time it is created, something like that. So you can select with a particular value and you can say perform right click and you can say purge. So that will be removed. So maybe you can go with edit menu and you can say purge. This is from the cache. Same way there is one more tab called as physical. So that means it is belong to the physical layer. So here also expand it. It's showing the tables here. But right now I'll go with cache memory itself, cache tab. Just I'm having two options are there, but I'm working with first option like manage, cache, cache tab. And here under the WebLogic part, so many options are there, like what other things are, which one you want to remove. Select those particular values, maybe one or all depending on the requirement, because here we are executed different queries. First one with the 3 columns, like after that we have removed department number. Next we added a commission column. So totally 3 types of reports we have designed in general. So for every different report, it is created a separate cache memory. Okay.
How do you know which one's which?
Based on the date and time.
Oh, okay, I got you. So in reality, do you usually remove all or just a few, one at a time?
At present, I'll remove all for time being.
Yeah, at present, but I'm talking about in real life. Do you usually
real life, like in general, usually we will not remove the caches, we will use the cache. Okay. And one more thing is, instead of doing based on the what you will say directly cache, we will apply on the table in general. So when for every 1 minute or 2 minutes or maybe for every 1 hour, the cache should be refreshed. Like this we will design it. Instead of you will not go to this area and you will not say purge every time.
Yeah, this
you will make this as an automated process. You will make as an automated process that is maybe refreshing for every 1 hour, something like that.
I see.
So we'll see that one a little bit later.
Okay.
So right now I'm purging all these caches by saying edit menu, purge. So it's saying cache entries purged successfully. Click on OK. Action menu, close. And I'm closing this RPD.